आता खबरो विस्तारान. बुधवारा अखिल गोंय बाळधनी संघटनेन 3 वांगडी समितीची परवरे भेट घेतली. बाळधन्यांनी आपले प्रश्न समिती सामकार मांडले. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर परवरेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
And a 3-member committee, and we went to explain our stand as per the interpretation of the Supreme Court order. In the Supreme Court order, it is clearly mentioned agglomeration or sufficient developed panchayat. So we made a request to the 3-member committee to consider the adjacent panchayat, including the subsequent panchayat, because it means an agglomeration which covers up a cluster of panchayat, not a single panchayat. So this request we went and gave the 3-member committee, and they said they would consider our demand and put it forward to the Excise Department. They have not given us a deadline, but they are framing out the rules of sufficiently developed areas. So in that, these points will be considered now. So after they consider all these facts and the latest orders of the Supreme Court, we feel that at least about 90% of this 1,332 will be cleared.
But last time they told us that only 300 now.
300, but those out of the 300, some more are getting cleared because of these areas which are next to the adjacent panchayats.
And because of the MOPA also.
And here in Dargal, and the Mopa airport is to be taken care of because that got about almost about 80 lakh square meters. So in that radius, many of we have about 45 bar and restaurants, including wholesale wine. So all those will get cleared because of the Mopa airport.